Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, I'm going to show you the exception of automation on FL Studio Mobile. So the first exception of automation is that you can't able to make the automation for BPM, but we might have this automation feature available for BPM in future. So the second exception of automation is that when you try to create automation for multi-FX, it will only create for one axis, but we can able to see that the multi-FX has two axes, X and Y. So to get the automation for both axes, we have to approach with different method. So the first, you have to click the record button and then move the pointer, so it will automatically generate the automation for both axes. Now you can able to move the pointer anywhere in this 2D graph with this 2-axis automation, and it's a little bit complex to do the automation for multi-FX than the others. That's why recording the pointer movement as per your need is the best way to make automation for multi-FX. So this is for today, and if you guys have any doubt left, then please comment down below.